Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing another look using the ColourPop Honey palette. Now, if you're new to my channel, you probably have not seen me do a look with this at all because the very last look and first look and only look I've done using this palette was posted over a year ago. So that will be linked down below in case you missed it. Guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. I also do luxury videos on a separate channel. Interested? Check the link below for that. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again and continue to stay subscribed and watching my videos. If you're new, hopefully you'll stick around, subscribe to my channel, and also see what else I post on here because I post a ton of beauty stuff, a ton of makeup, a ton of fashion things, sometimes, mostly beauty, but a little fashion mixed in here and there, as well as lifestyle. If you're interested in seeing how I did this look, keep watching. So my brows are already done. Today I'll be using the ColourPop Honey palette. I haven't used this in ages, but today I want to do a yellow look. This is what it looks like for those who are unfamiliar, but I don't see how you could possibly be unfamiliar because it's very popular. Taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, I almost forgot the step. How could I? Now I'm going to take the palette, and I think I want to do, I wanted to do a natural eye, but I really don't. I want to do some color. I mean, I'm going to start off with Totally Bugging. I don't remember exactly what I did for my first look. I will link my first look that I did with this palette up above so you can check it out. It was from last year or the year before, I can't remember. I don't know exactly what I did. I didn't watch the video, so hopefully I don't repeat the same look. I'm taking this color into the crease to start. This is a 222 that needs to be thrown away because it's starting to fall apart. You can probably see. Ugh. Up above that, I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in Medium Plus for my brow highlight. And I'm touching that crease color back up again. After this time, I'm throwing this brush away. It's probably over, or like 10 years old, 9 or 10 years old, so it held up quite nicely. For the lid now, I'm gonna take a super bright yellow. I'm taking BEAU, I believe. I want it to be really bright. So actually underneath, I'm going in with Midnight Cream color in yellow. This is totally optional. You can even use white if you have a white base. This is just a flat synthetic brush. You could use your finger, but y'all know I struggle with long nails to do things like this. So brush is easier. I am going to go back into that crease color to put color over the crease area of it before it screws up and messes up all my hard work. Make sure that base is blended out really well. Before it has a chance to move, I'm going to go ahead and pack on that BEAU color, which is this bright yellow in the bottom middle. I'm packing that right on top of that base I just put down with another flat brush. I'm actually going to do a halo eye. So I'm packing it in the inner and the outer. I'm extending that into the tear duct. I don't want it to look too similar. So I'm taking this shimmery, darker bronzy gold called Queen Bee. This is the color I'm placing in the center. Taking the same brush, I'm really cleaning it off. Still looks similar. I'm taking on top of that this color called Buzzkill. It's a brown. I'm not really cleaning the brush off because I do want them to merge or to blend with each other. This is just going to help darken this shimmer color slightly. Then also take a bit of the shimmer away. If you don't want that, you can go right back on top with the gold that we just used. But I'm gonna leave it because I like to, actually no, I'm gonna go back on top with a little bit of Queen Bee. Just add a little bit of shimmer back to the top. But it is quite deeper underneath now. Now I'm going back in, cleaning the brush off really well. If you use different brushes, you would have to do this, but I don't like a lot of dirty brushes. So I'm taking the same brush, really cleaned off, and taking that Oh Behave again, which is that brighter yellow here. And I'm going back on the inner and outer corner to help brighten it again. I'm going into the crease with that Totally Buggin' again. And this time I'm actually gonna mix it with a bit of that Buzzkill, which is that brown. Just a little. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna do something different. I think last time I might have done brown. I do kind of remember that. I don't want to do brown this time because it's a little too similar to what I did last time. So I'm gonna do like an olive green, I think. This is the Bare Minerals Round the Clock Waterproof Eyeliner, 11 AM. Take any olive or similar color that you own. This is what I have, and I need to sharpen this. This is just going on the lower lash line. On the waterline, I'm doing something totally different, I think. Trying to finish with this. This formula is not the best anymore. I see what the reviews were talking about. Years ago when I first got these, they were freaking amazing. But over time, the formula just doesn't, you know, even if you sharpen it, it's too creamy and it puts down color, but it takes a lot of work. And with the work it takes, it messes up the eyeliner. I don't know if y'all can see it kind of bunching up or balling up. It's such a waste of product. Look at that. Keeps doing that. Like, stop. I didn't scratch my eye out, but I scratched something. It was not comfortable. I might get rid of this too. I'm gonna try to get some more color down so there's no gaps on the lower lash line. This is terrible. I'm getting rid of this. Okay, that's enough of that. That's going in the trash. Let me see if I have another similar eyeliner. This might be similar. This is from Motives. This is the Green Envy. I'll take the rest of the plastic off when I have something sharp. It looks like it might be similar. I've never used it. It better still be good because I've never opened it. Oh yeah, this color is very similar. For the waterline, we're gonna take a really bright yellow. This is ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Crossed, CRSSD. Crossed, basically. I actually don't think this is waterline safe. Or eye safe. It's too late now though. It's already on there. But use at your own risk. For liner at the top, I don't think I want to do black. I'm gonna take another eyeliner from Motives. This is the Motives Glitter Eyeliner in Gold Digger. Actually, I didn't intend to use glitter first, but because it is, we're gonna see how it works for us. I don't know if it's gonna work at all. I think this is a better liner to go on top of something else. So this is only gonna work if I put something else underneath because it's a sheer glitter liner. So let's find something else to put underneath. I'm gonna take this MAC Liquidlast Liner. I'm not sure what color this is because it's not labeled. Why is it not? It looks like this. I don't know the name of the color. If I happen to find it, I'll let you know. I'm sorry. It's really not labeled with a name. It just had those numbers or something on there. I've never used it. It's brand new. Gonna put this on the top. It's like a darker forest green. I really like this on its own. I don't think I'm gonna do a glitter liner on top. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that as is. No glitter liner on top. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara at the top though. This is Largeller Lash Boss Mascara. Now I'm gonna do face makeup. Mixing my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and Markus's with my Circle Color Balance Liquid Foundation in number 8. Mixing those two together. Now I'm gonna do concealer, ColourPop No Filter in Medium Dark 32. Going back with my foundation brush, no additional product, blending this out around everything. I'm gonna set my full face with my NYX HD Finishing Powder. It's like this. I'm just using this big old powder brush. It's from Runway. Now I'm gonna do bottom mascara, same that I used earlier from Largeller. Gonna put on some lashes before I continue my face makeup, and I'm using, these are just the number 38s from my local beauty supply store. Now, while I'm waiting on that to dry, I'm going to do my face, finish my face. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in Sun Power. The brush I'm using for this is just a MAC 168. Highlight, I'm taking ColourPop Wisp Super Shock Pearlized Cheek. For blush, this is the Milani Romantic Rose Powder Blush. For lips, I'm taking the Hola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade The Easy Sew. A traditional color to go with this combination, but that's exactly what I'm doing it. I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look using the Honey palette from ColourPop. This is one of my favorite palettes ever from ColourPop. I think it's amazing. It works great on all skin complexions in my opinion, because of all the colors it has. I've never officially done a review on this palette, but let me know if you guys want one. It is still available for purchase. It's been available for a long time. And it's just a great palette from ColourPop. It was one of the very first things that made me fall in love with ColourPop. So this palette definitely resonates with me a lot, and I've had it for forever. And I've used it a few times, but this is only my second look on here doing. If you happen to want another one, let me know. I'll definitely do it. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything that goes live. Also, if you're not subscribed to my luxury channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. Well, it's not gonna be a subscribe button here, but I will have a link down below for you and probably up here linking my luxury channel so you can go subscribe there. Lots of great content over there as well. At least I think so. Okay, so if that's the type of stuff that interests you as well, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos because I will no longer post them here. But yeah, talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching.